What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Nolan, here again. All right, so I got three amazingly funny, almost funny jokes. So the first one, it's a sports joke. Sports. Why did the golfer wear two pairs of pants? Again, why did the golfer wear two pairs of pants? In case you got a hole in one. All right, that was almost funny. All right. Joke number two. Yesterday's Super Bowl. That was a joke. But then again, I didn't really watch it, so I can't say a whole lot. Holler. All right, the third joke. Well, actually, this is a serious one. And that is the Cowboys are going to win the Super Bowl in 2021/2022. Oh, that's a joke. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen because that's enough comedy for one day. I almost laughed. All right, so this video is multiplying and dividing, solving one-step equations. So just like when you were adding and subtracting, you got the same two steps. First one, isolate the variable or the letter. You're trying to get the letter by itself, and you do that by doing the inverse operation or the opposite operation. The opposite to multiply is to divide. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. Now again, going back to the beginning of the school year, multiply and divide integer rules. It's simple. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. Again, that's only when you are multiplying and dividing. So let's look at our first example. We have the 3 and the x. Guys, do you see how this number is attached to the letter? That means they are multiplying. So 3 times x, which is some unknown number, has to give me 21. Well, guys, the 3 and the x are multiplying. What's the inverse of multiplying? To divide. Divide by the number in front of the x, which is the 3. Again, what you do to one side of the equal sign, do to the other. So look at that. It's a mirror reflection. 3 take away 3 leaves you just with x. Hey guys, look at this. The signs are the same. When multiplying or dividing, if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. That is literally it. This next one, oh my God, I got a negative x. Mr. Nolan, what does negative x mean? All right, guys, how many x's do y'all see here? We all see 1. So guys, I'm going to rewrite this. Negative x is the same as negative 1x. The only reason you don't see the 1, it's assumed there's a 1 already in front of there because you see 1x. Well, again, the negative 1 and the x that are attached, they're multiplying. Inverse of multiply is to divide. Divide by the number in front of x. Some of y'all are going to tell me 1. That's not 1. That's a negative 1. The negative 1s go away. Leaves you just with x. Ooh, signs are different. If the signs are different when multiplying or dividing, the answer is negative. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So the answer should be negative 4. Woo! This ain't that bad. You're like, Mr. Nolan, this is too easy. It's not bad, guys. All right, next one. Ooh, what's in front of the x? It's a negative 5. What should be my inverse operation? Well, guys, the negative 5 and the x, they're multiplying. Inverse of multiplying is to divide. Again, what you do to one side, do to the other. Ooh, signs are the same. Again, when the signs are the same, when multiplying or dividing, the answer is positive. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Not bad. Now let's see what you got here. Oh, different. Now we're in fraction form. Guys, fraction form means division. This says g, some unknown number g, divided by 7 is equal to 4. Well, guys, we're trying to get g by itself, but it's being divided by 7. What's the inverse of dividing by 7? The inverse of to divide is to multiply. So again, guys, if I multiply by 7 over here, I have to multiply by 7 over here. Well, guys, the 7's here go away. It leaves you with G. Ooh, 4 times 7. 28. All right. Ooh, we're solving for F, but it's being divided by -3. What is the inverse operation of divide? That would be to multiply. Multiply both sides by -3. The -3's over here zero out, or they cancel out. I wouldn't really say they cancel out. It just gives you 1, which is your 1F right there. Ooh, signs are different, so the answer is negative. 6 times 3 is 18. All right, last example. We're solving for T, but it's being divided by -9. So the inverse of divide is to multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by -9. Again, guys, we're doing that because look at what it leaves me. It leaves me with T by itself. Ooh, I'm multiplying, but the signs are the same. So if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. 9 times 5 is 45. I got me a little Kermit the Frog for you guys. It's not easy being green. All right. Oh, funny story. I saw this commercial about 2 or 3 years ago. You gotta find it somewhere. But it's Kermit the Frog. He's in the woods riding his bicycle. And if you look close enough, you can see his feet don't even reach the pedals. It's hilarious. And then in that, because y'all are wondering, why do you keep saying it's not easy being green? Well, in the commercial, after you see him riding his bicycle in which his feet don't reach the pedals, he says, it's not easy being green. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.